Right, Anvit, you've been talking about the two lapses wherein the capacity of the people who were supposed to be there had exceeded. First, help us understand what was the approved capacity for the event and how many attendees actually surpassed the number, what actually unfolded to the stampede-like situation.
See, what we are being told that the venue that was decided for the Samagam only allows a gathering of roughly around 5,000 people. However, the number had exceeded way beyond the permitted number. There's no word from the district administration, however, that what was the exact permitted number and how many people were there. That estimation is yet to be done by the district administration. But see, that's what the point is, that the local administration, local intelligence unit failed to estimate exact number of gathering and what was allowed and what eventually happened. So that is what led to this incident, because there was no such estimation. LIU did not probably do its job properly, and which led to this stampede. Such a gathering is setting off a stampede. Other than that, the second lapse that I was talking about was the inadequate deployment. We have been pointing out since the beginning that the deployment of the policemen was inadequate, and also when the Baba left the spot, the Godmans left the spot, the policemen and all the arrangement also left along. No one was there to take care of the public. We were also being told earlier that when this man was leaving the premises, Sakar was leaving the premises, then because of his convoy, some of the crowd was also held up for a while, and when they were left, when they were allowed to leave at once, that also set off the stampede. So there are certain allegations by the locals, by the witnesses. Police are doing their investigation parallelly, and based on what witnesses are telling, based on the statement of witnesses and the victims, police will start setting off responsibilities on various different organizers of this event and also on the administrative part.
Right, Anvit, I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast as we'll be next talking about the investigations, and we'll try to understand where are the investigations heading, moving on. But right now, let's take a look at some of the reactions that we've been getting on this report.
शासन और प्रशासन की पूरी संवेदनाएं जो मृतक हैं उनके परिजन के साथ हैं। हम लोग यहाँ पर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने निर्देशित किया और वो हर पल की खबर को मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे हमारी पहली प्राथमिकता है कि जो लोग घायल हैं उनको सही और अच्छी तरह से उपचार मिल सके, और जो मृतक हैं उनका पोस्टमार्टम और उसके बाद जो भी व्यवस्था करनी है वो करने के बाद उनके परिजनों को सौंपते हुए उनके घर तक पहुंचाया जाए। अभी जो स्थिति हम लोगों के सामने आई है उसमें जो उनके मुख्य सेवादार थे उन्होंने एक एप्लीकेशन दिया था इस तरह के कार्यक्रम के लिए, और उसमें लगभग 80,000 के आसपास भीड़ की उन्होंने उम्मीद बताई थी, लेकिन जो सूचना मिली है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा उसकी संख्या वहाँ पे लोगों की थी।
कितनी भीड़ थी लगभग?
बहुत भीड़ है भैया।
कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है इसमें?
जाने अब मन्ना गिनने भैया ने कितने का नकी भैया।
कितना बता रहे हैं लोग, बता रहे हैं इस पर आप वहाँ भीड़ ज्यादा थी?
बहुत ही भीड़ है, बहुत ही।
भीड़ की वजह से ये मौत हुई है।
एक संग वो रुक गई है, सो दबे गए वहाँ में।
कितनी भीड़ थी वहाँ?
बहुत भीड़ थी भैया।
कैसे हुआ हादसा ये?
भैया नीचे दब गए, बहुत पब्लिक ऊपर निकल गई।
भीड़ ज्यादा थी इसलिए?
ज्यादा
भगदड़ मच गई?
हाँ, भगदड़ मच गई, गाड़ी वाले आ
कितने
गए।
लोगों की मौत हो गई बता रहे हैं?
बहुत लोगों की भैया।
Well, we just heard the plight of the victims. Now, Anvit continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Anvit, talking about the investigation, what is the status of investigation at this point of time? Has the local police been able to detect or figure out who the organizers were?
See, Koina, before we come to the investigation, I have one witness with me. He was there at the Samagam and he owns a shop right outside and he witnessed what happened there. आपका क्या नाम है सर?
विजय कुमार नाम है मेरा सर।
अच्छा, आपकी वहाँ पे दुकान है समागम के बाहर जहाँ पे समागम
सर मेरी हम स्टॉल लगा रहे थे भंडारे का।
अच्छा।
तो भंडारा लेके गए थे हम भंडारा।
क्या हुआ था वहाँ पे, किस समय हुआ, क्या हुआ?
सर जब प्रभु जाने का स्थिति गई थी, प्रभु चले गए थे, उसके बाद भगदड़ में वो लोग प्रशासन वगैरह वहाँ थोड़ा कम था।
अच्छा,
उसी के उस दौरान वो लोग रिपट गए हैं।
हाँ। तो ये कैसे, मतलब प्रशासन चला गया था साथ में उनके जब वो निकले?
कम था सर।
अच्छा।
हाँ, जबकि लाखों को, जैसे लाखों की भीड़ जो आती है, प्रशासन को अलर्ट रहना चाहिए वहाँ की, जैसे कि हम वहाँ 2 गाड़ी थी प्रशासन की।
अच्छा।
और जो हमारे सत के साथ वाले जो भाई से सेवादार जो होते हैं वही लोग संभाल रहे थे उसको, बस भाग दौड़ को। और फिर रोड के जो किनारा था ना उसमें थोड़ा वैसे था, नीचा था, और पानी की बरसात में वो रपटन हो गई थी वहाँ ज़्यादातर।
तो लोग ये हुआ कैसे, भगदड़ किस वजह से मची क्या?
यार जब प्रभु जाते हैं ना तो उनकी चरणों की धूल लेने के लिए भागते हैं लोग, इधर इधर भागते हैं, तो इसलिए वो रपट गए।
उसी चक्कर में होगी। आपकी बेटी एडमिट है यहाँ
हाँ बेटी है।
पे? कैसी हालत है अभी?
वैसे तो हालत है सही है।
अच्छा, तो क्या पता, कब पता चला आपको कि इस तरह का हादसा हुआ है?
हमें पता बहुत देर में चला के ऐसे ऐसे बात है, तुम्हारी बेटी हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती है सिकंदर में। तो हम वहाँ से अपने तुरंत घर से आए 2 गाड़ी लेके, वहाँ देखी तो बेटी पे बोतल लग रही, बेटी वैसे हालत में सही, और रात के 2 बजे से फिर हालत खराब हो गई।
तो अभी क्या बता रहे हैं, कब तक छोड़ेंगे?
अब मालूम नहीं है,
अभी नहीं पता है।
नहीं।
So in many cases uncertainty looms, and other than that because these two know their family members are admitted here, this is one of the wards where treatment is being done. Other than that, many are here who are yet to identify their family members because they have been missing since the incident happened. Many of the groups were here at the hospital earlier, but they have left this hospital, they have gone to other hospital to search for their family members. If you were talking about the investigation, and I would point by point make you understand where the investigation is headed. The first point is that the arrest of Hari Sakar alias the self-styled Godman is very important, very crucial, because what kind of arrangements was made, who were these organizers? None of the organizers have yet been arrested. So arrest will be very crucial, and their confession to the police will be very crucial to this entire incident.
Indeed.
Other than that, see, postmortem of the bodies is to be done. The nature of injuries will ascertain that what kind of stampede it was and what kind of injuries were inflicted to people, that the death toll is so high in such an incident. Other than that, see, identify lapses on part of organizer is very important. Lapses on part of administration will also be set up, and it will also set an example as to whenever such an incident happens, what kind of arrangement need to be made, because since the beginning this is being alleged against the organizers as well as against the local administration that the adequate arrangements of security and of other things were not in place. Furthermore, statement of witnesses will be very crucial, because it will not only help police set up responsibilities on the organizers as well as the administration, but also will frame a strong case, whatever case will be registered, because the death toll is quite high, and we'll see if in time police also makes this self-styled Godman the main accused in this entire incident, the tragedy that has unfolded.
Right, and with help us also understand the fact that with the organizers now being absconding along with the Godmen for which the people had gathered in this entire religious gathering, help us understand what kind of charges are going to be framed in the entire scenario against the organizers also.
See, first of all, prima facie 304A will be added of the IPC, but see, this case will be registered under BNS. So we are yet to know what sections will be slabbed of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which has replaced IPC, because this incident has taken place after 1st July, after the implementation of BNS. So otherwise, had it been IPC, section 304A, that is causing death due to negligence, would be slabbed. The same thing would be slabbed, but the number of sections could be different in BNS. Other than that, there's negligence, there's many other sections, of causing death due to negligence, and many things that were overlooked, security arrangements that were overlooked, those sections will also be placed. But more important is to set responsibility of the organizers who had overbooked this venue, and the administration that allowed and that overlooked the permissions and the responsibilities that they had to see that if there's more gathering than being allowed, that also needs to be looked into. Other than that, the local police, that local intelligence unit that has which has its mandate to keep an eye on such gatherings, such huge gatherings, and not allow gathering beyond a permissible limit, that has also been violated some way or the other. So that also needs to be looked in.
Right, and with understanding the given situation, and since you're already there on the ground, understanding what has been the ecosystem right now around you, how do you feel that the government in the future could avoid such instances? Because in the past, over a decade, major stampede-like situations have erupted or have been an epicenter in the religious gatherings only. So this needs to be looked at a level where the state government gets involved, where authorities need to take responsibility of such kind of situations.
It certainly does, but see, also it depends on person to person. You know, the kind of country India is, and how religiously, the kind of religious bent we have. Given that such gatherings often turn out to be huge and bigger than expected in India, particularly, and there have been, previously in Madhya Pradesh, similar incident had happened, and we have seen various places stampede causing multiple deaths in such religious events. Also, we need to understand these self-styled godmen. The trend that they have set of getting such huge gatherings previously on this Hari Sakar